Hotspot Shield VPN honest review. Watch before using. Most people think a VPN only hides your location, but here's the surprising truth. The quality of your VPN can change your online speed, privacy level, and even what content you can access. And that's exactly why Hotspot Shield is one of the most talked about VPN services today. Hotspot Shield is a virtual private network designed to encrypt your internet connection and protect your data from hackers, trackers, and public Wi-Fi threats. It is used by millions of people around the world. Here's what most people get wrong. They think all VPNs are slow. Hotspot Shield uses a proprietary protocol designed to deliver fast speeds while still encrypting your data. You can use it to access region-restricted content, protect your information on public Wi-Fi, and hide your IP address. Hotspot Shield offers apps for phones, tablets, computers, and even smart TVs. However, the surprising truth is that the free version has limitations on data and server access. The premium version unlocks faster speeds and more locations. Hotspot Shield is best for everyday users, travelers, and people who frequently use public Wi-Fi. The surprising truth is that online privacy is no longer optional. Hotspot Shield makes protection easy. If you want a fast and user-friendly VPN, Hotspot Shield is worth trying. Subscribe to the channel for more cybersecurity tools and honest reviews.